Winner is Neeraj Chopra from India. How does it sound to you all? Such a happy moment, right? This 23-year young man is able to bring so much of happiness and so much of the proud to our country. And each and every one of us is able to think like it's our own success. And in fact, this one gold medal has brought not only the happiness and proud, it destroyed the entire boundaries, North India, South India, East India, West India. No, it has destroyed all the boundaries and it made each and every Indian so proud and happy. Just imagine this one gold medal is able to make this much of happiness in us. So why don't we aim for at least 10 or 15 or 20 like that the next coming in Olympics? I can hear you what you're saying. Yes, every time we are aiming, but we are unable to reach. That's what you're saying. That I could hear actually. But what I'm trying to tell you here, I wanted to show you some role models over here. Whatever I'm able to observe, I'm just showing this is my personal point of view. If I'm wrong, you can correct me and you can share your point of view as well. Because the only objective is the world is looking at us like they have a different perception about India. India, in the sense, it's a poor country. That's what the perception is there in everywhere. So this is my point of view. It's my idea how to convert from poor India to proud India. So if you have any opinion about it, please you can share it in the comment section. We'll all work together to do that. What I have observed from my point of view is either you take from Sachin Tendulkar or Sania Mirza or A.R. Rahman or even the Neeraj Chopra. All those people, they don't have a good education background. They didn't focus in school education much. Fortunately for these legends, the natural talent is being identified at the early age and nurtured the natural talent, and they have become legend and they are able to shine well and they are able to make India proud. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, why don't we apply this same role model to each and every student, whoever we have in our country? So why don't we make this huge population as an asset instead of liability? So if we want to change this, we need to stop what we are running for. We've been running for marks so far. That should be stopped immediately, and we should be able to enlarge the boundaries for the choices. We should be able to identify what is the natural talent in each and every kid, every student. The parent has to take the responsibility, and suppose if the parent is unable to identify, they have to take the help of teacher, and if the teacher is unable to identify the natural talent, they have to take the help of counselor. Even the counselor is unable to identify the talent, they have to take the help of psychologist. So that's how there are so many ways to identify the natural talent. So if we are able to identify the natural talent, if we are able to nurture that, if we are able to give more choices to each and every student, we can make all those students like these legends. Not only the physical education, I'm telling, for anything for that matter, whether it is arts or science or anything for that matter, whether it is extracurricular activities or music, dance, whatever it is, let us identify the natural talent and will nurture that talent. We have to stop running behind the marks. Of course, there are few students, they are good, and let them, because for them it is natural talent is only IQ, let them go behind that. Because those students are actually golden child. They are able to come out well because they are getting so much of support from each and every one of us. We have been appreciating those people, those who are able to get good marks. We are able to appreciate, they are able to have a good life because they are getting appreciation from everywhere, from the society, parent as well as teachers. Whereas the remaining students, they are unable to get any appreciation. Instead, they are getting only criticized. And most of the students, when they are in the average in the education, once they complete the education process, they will be completely broken. And in fact, they didn't even have the confidence they're good enough. So they wanted to hide the pain. They wanted to escape from the pain, whatever they have, that bullying, all such things. That's why they get into other activities. Even Neeraj Chopra is a typical example. He was a bullying kid, but he is able to come out of it because luckily his talent, natural talent, was able to identify by his physical trainer as well as his uncle. So this one talent is able to come out with the flying colors and able to make India proud. So why don't we apply the same to all our students? Because in India it is a high time. The World Forum, they are looking at why, they're talking about India's mystery about gold medal. Why India is unable to take gold medal. Everyone, they started talking about it. It is not only about gold medal I'm talking. For the overall personality, we have to focus on the overall personality. For that, it is a high time. It is not only on the physical education I'm stressing. For each and every field, let them have the choices. Are we giving the choices to our students? Not at all. We are comparing apple and orange actually. We are not accepting the fact that each and every student is unique. So we have to change the mindset and look at the students, and we need to accept each and every student is unique, and we need to identify whatever their unique skill, and based on that we have to give the assessment and parameter. So if you want to change India from poor to proud, if you want to change the perception from poor to proud India, please share your point of view in the comment section. Let us work together. With this success of Neeraj Sharma should be taken as inspiration, and we have to work on it, because this success is able to bring so much of strength in India. Each and every Indian, we feel that it is our own success. So this happiness, this kind of feel should be there in India. Then only India will become a superpower nation. Whether we are moving towards superpower nation or not, at least we'll be able to create a good atmosphere to our own next generation students. So let us work on this. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thanks a lot.